A bed store is giving out coupons worth $10, $25, $50, and $100. In one day, the following coupons were used, and we want to find the standard deviation. So in this table, we're given the coupons that are used, the deviation from the mean, which is also known as x, the value, minus the mean, and the deviation from the mean squared, which is x minus mu all squared. Now to find the standard deviation, we want to use the equation below, which is the square root of the sum of values minus the mean all squared divided by the number of values minus 1. So our first step in solving this problem is to find the mean of this data. Remember, the mean is the sum of all coupons divided by the total number of coupons. So the sum of all coupons used is $10 plus $25 plus $10 plus $50 plus $100, all divided by the total number of coupons. Well, 5 coupons were used, so the total number of coupons is 5. And 10 plus 25 plus 10 plus 50 plus 100 is 195, all divided by 5, to give us a mean of 39. So up top, we'll write our mean is 39. And we also want to find n, which is the total number of coupons used. We know there are 5 coupons, so n equals 5. Now that we found the mean and n, we can fill out our table. In our first column, we have our coupons that were used, and in our second column, we have the deviation from the mean, which you know is x minus mu, where x is the value from our first column. So we have 10 minus mu, the mean, which we found to be 39. And 10 minus 39 gives us a value of negative 29. In our next row, we have x, which is 25, minus the mean, 39, and 25 minus 39 gives us negative 14. In our next row, we have 10 minus 39 to give us negative 29. In our next row, we have 50 minus 39 to give us 11. And finally, we have 100 minus 39 to give us a deviation from the mean to be 61. Now in our final column, we have the deviation from the mean all squared, which is also x minus mu raised to the power of 2. We know x minus mu is from the previous column, so we have negative 29 raised to the power of 2, which gives us 841. Then we have negative 14 raised to the power of 2, which is 196. Then negative 29 to the power of 2, which is 841. 11 to the power of 2, which is 121. And finally, 61 to the power of 2, which is 3,721. So now that we've filled out our table, let's use our equation for the standard deviation. Standard deviation is the square root of the sum of x minus mu squared. Well, x minus mu squared is from our third column, so we take the sum of our third column. So 841 plus 196 plus 841 plus 121 plus 3,721. And all of that is divided by n minus 1. We found that n was 5, so we have 5 minus 1. And of course, we take the square root. So if we add up the numerator, we get a total of 5,720, divided by 5 minus 1, which is 4, and we take the square root. So the square root of 5,720 divided by 4 gives us a value of 37.82. So the standard deviation of this data is 37.82.